Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. Today we're exploring the best foldable drone, the Lizer L200 Pro Foldable Drone, designed to capture stunning aerial footage with ease and style. Whether you're traveling, filming, or just having fun, this drone has you covered. Let's get started. The Lizer L200 Pro Foldable Drone is a compact and versatile drone built for portability and smooth flying. With foldable arms and a lightweight design weighing just 216 grams, it's perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Whether you're a beginner or a hobbyist, this drone is easy to use while delivering professional-looking results. One of the highlights of the Lizer L200 Pro is its 4K HD camera, which is stabilized by an EIS 2-axis anti-shake gimbal. This ensures your photos and videos stay sharp and smooth, even when the drone is in motion. The 5G Wi-Fi connectivity lets you stream real-time footage straight to your smartphone through the app, making it easy to control the drone and share your shots instantly. GPS-assisted flight is another standout feature. It keeps the drone precisely positioned and even returns it automatically to the home point when the battery is low or the signal weakens, so you never have to worry about losing it. On top of that, the 360-degree obstacle avoidance system detects objects around the drone and navigates safely to prevent crashes. Indoor flights are just as easy thanks to optical flow positioning. This keeps the drone stable at a fixed altitude for smooth and steady shots, no matter where you're flying. The brushless motor, combined with a 6-axis gyroscope, ensures responsive control and a smooth flying experience every time. The Lizer L200 Pro also comes with intelligent features like GPS follow mode, GPS pointing flight, gesture control, and zoom capabilities. These make it easy to get creative with your shots, track subjects automatically, and capture footage from unique angles. The Lizer L200 Pro is built from high-strength engineering plastics, making it both durable and lightweight. Its foldable design allows for easy portability, slipping neatly into a bag or backpack. Compact, sleek, and sturdy, it's a drone that looks good while handling the rigors of outdoor flights effortlessly. In everyday use, this drone makes capturing aerial footage simple and enjoyable. You can take it on trips, film sports activities, or get creative shots for social media. With 20 minutes of flight time per battery and intelligent flight features, you can focus on getting the perfect angle without worrying about complicated controls or crashes. The Lizer L200 Pro Foldable Drone is ideal for beginners who want a user-friendly drone and for enthusiasts looking for advanced stabilization and creative controls. Travelers, content creators, and anyone who loves capturing aerial moments will find this drone both fun and practical. This drone really makes flying and filming exciting and stress-free. Check the price link in the description to see more details and grab your Lizer L200 Pro Foldable Drone today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more amazing tech gadgets. Thanks for watching and happy flying!